Welcome to YOUCANIC here. We have a Mercedes that is showing check brake wear, and you might notice that of course that means your brake pads are worn out. You might replace the brake pads and you might still get that. So there's a couple of reasons. First is that if you replace the front, make sure you replace that front sensor as well, install a new sensor. And if you're still getting that, then there's a likely chance that the rear sensor or rear brake pads are worn as well. Let's take a look at the sensor, because it's very easy to replace. Even you don't have to take out the brake pads or anything. So let's go take a look at that. So the brake pad wear sensor is this right here. It connects right there, and the sensor goes there. To unplug it, you pull this off, and you pop this off. You can use a screwdriver, just kind of pull that back. So right here, the way these sensors work is that you basically have this wire that runs through here, comes to the sensor, comes to the tip of it, that runs back. When the brake pads wear, what's going to happen, this is going to start touching against the brake pad, and it wears that wire. Basically it cuts the wire, and the computer realizes that there's an open circuit, and that's why it's going to trigger that brake pad wear. But there's ways to test this. So if you take a voltmeter that can measure resistance, you put it in the resistance setting so you can measure that. I have it so when you touch the leads, it's going to beep for you. You hear that. So right now it shows OL, and if you touch those leads, it's going to show 0 resistance. Should do the same thing, and of course it beeps, right? So it should do the same thing when we contact these two terminals right there. You don't want to be touching these two together. You want to go at the terminals. As you can see, that's not beeping. Alright, so it should beep if the sensor is good. If you're thinking about reusing the same brake pad sensor, brake wear sensor. So this sensor needs to be replaced. This wire has been cut over here and comes back, and it's an open circuit right now, so it has to be replaced. But that's it. Thank you for watching.